Hi, good evening to all. Today we will discuss one important topic, British conquest of India. So previous days we have discussed Indian history chronology. So ancient Indian history, medieval Indian history, modern Indian history chronology. So like we now will discuss British conquest of India. So in this British conquest of India, how we are considering like ancient Indian history, medieval Indian history, modern Indian history, there is no significant there is no particular year to start ancient Indian history, medieval Indian history, modern Indian history. But we are considering depending of the circumstances. So like we are considering ancient Indian history start with Stone Age and the end with the uh, Delhi Sultanates. Like Delhi Sultanate start with medieval Indian history. Medieval Indian history. Then after we can consider the declinization of the Mughals. After the Mughals, the Renaissance periods of the world, we can consider the start with modern Indian history. So likewise, we are considering to modern Indian history start with Renaissance period of the in the world. So in that scenario, Mughals period also called decolonization of the in this period. So in the scenario, British also came to in our India. So one in the history, in the world history, one issue is happened in the 1450 in the year of 1453. If you see the world history, in the year of 1453, fall down of the Constantinople. If you see the nowadays, if you see the Constantinople, so if you see the world map here, nowadays we are considering the Turkey. So here the Turkey and Asia. So in this place, in this place between the Constantinople is there. So in the Constantinople occupied Ottoman Empire. So Muhammad II Ottoman Empire occupied the Constantinople. So those days, this is the way of to Europe to like India came. This is the route to trade. We can do trades. The Ottoman Empire occupied Constantinople. That the route has been closed. So then the Turkish Ottoman Empire occupied the Constantinople. It is very difficult to come here, India. So in this period, the Portuguese Europeans start with to find out the India. The first country to start find out the sea route. So likewise the Portuguese, nowadays Portuguese here, like Portuguese king O Henry started with find out the sea route. So like this in the first persons who has been start with find out the sea route, Columbus. So Columbus identified discovered America instead of India. So the next persons in 1492 came Bartholomew Dias. Bartholomew Dias start with his journey like this one. So he came to here the Cape of Good Hope, Agram. Cape of Good Hope, Agram. He also don't know whether this is India or not. So then he returned back to Portugal. So then again the next persons came to in 1498 Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama came here, and in the same route Vasco da Gama also came here. And he met with here in the Gujarat traders. So then Vasco da Gama met with Gujarat tradesman, and both came to India. So in the place of Calicut Jamorin, Calicut King Jamorin welcomed to Vasco da Gama. So few days he stayed here, and whenever he went out to Portuguese, he Vasco da Gama came to here and met with Calicut Jamorin, and he like spices, mustard. He along with went to Portuguese. Like he got in those days 60% of the profit. Like the Portuguese governor, Portuguese king stood said to another Portuguese governors to India. So the likewise the first persons who has came to India we called Francisco de Almeida. So Francisco de Almeida, then Alfonso de Albuquerque, then Nino de Cunha. So like these Portuguese governors came to in our India. So in the same scenario, like Europeans, other countries also came to in our India. If you see the map, like first 1498 Vasco da Gama, like Portuguese, we are considering Portuguese. Then Dutch 1605, then comes to 1608 British, then comes to 1664 French. So like this type of Europeans countries comes one by one. So if you see the first, we are discuss about the Portuguese. The first governor Francisco de Almeida came to India. In the Francisco de Almeida occupied Gujarat in 1510. He started factory in Gujarat. Goa. He started factory Goa. Then second persons come Alfonso de Albuquerque. He was strong with navy. So the Alfonso de Albuquerque 1510 established Goa in factory. Then he has started a cottage system. The we called water permanent water permanent system. So the in the cottage system, it is very essential to play role. Those who are comes to here India, they should have to pay like taxes. Otherwise, they can destroy they can destroy their novels. So this type of systems is going on. Then third person is came Nino de Cunha. Nino de Cunha captured Gujarat. At the same scenario, if we see the Portuguese history, they are close with Vijayanagara kingdom, what we called Vijayanagara kingdom. Then ruled at the same time ruling the Vijayanagara king like Sri Krishna Devaraya. So at the same time, if we consider the north, the Mughal king Akbar is there. Akbar is ruling to Mughal kingdom. So in the same scenario, in the Portuguese relations as with the Vijayanagara kingdom, in the Sri Krishna Devaraya period, Portuguese ambassadors we can consider Domingo Face, Fernando Muni, Duarte Barbosa. In the Portuguese, like this type of Portuguese Portuguese ambassadors as with Sri Krishna Devaraya period. So like this, if you consider the north, Akbar period, like Ibadat Khana is there. Ibadat Khana means religious discussions. The Portuguese governors attend with Ibadat Khana. So like this type of issue is going. Portuguese and British. At the same time, British also came in 1608. Captain Hawkins. Like the conflict is going on, like British and British East India Company and Portuguese. So the 1612 Battle of Swali. If you see the here, Battle of Swali has happened. The British East India Company destroyed like Portuguese Company. Then Portuguese fall down their empire. So like Battle of Swali 1612 is very important. In 1631, Hubli also destroyed Shujauddin 1631. Then 1662, matrimonial alliance. The Portuguese queen married with British king. So then Portuguese given to like a dowry to Britishers. Like this type of Battle of Swali and Hooghly occupied Sujauddin, like Bombay also given to like Dowry, like this type of totally which areas they occupied, totally destroyed. So what is the reason behind to Portuguese destroyed, Portuguese declined. So this type of circumstances is there. So what is, if you consider the Portuguese, first countries came to India, and he went there last. If you see in 1962, the Indian government started Operation Vijay, and amalgamation of Daman, Diu and Goa to India. So like this type of issues are going there. So what we learned to Portuguese? If you see the Portuguese, like Iberian style of architecture, potatoes and chiles and port building system, we have learned from Portuguese. So like this type of British conquest of India is like what is the trend? If you consider the British trend, war, treaty war. So the Renaissance period, war, treaty war, like their main motto is elimination of princely states and empires, like state empires. Like this type of their policy, subsidiary alliance, like doctrine of lapse. So this type of policy is issued. Then the total whole India occupied the Britishers. Like we have discussed like Portuguese history. Then the next video will discuss India, British and Dutch and French. So next video will discuss. Thank you.